How to fix Windows Update error 0x800f0823. Hello friends, follow the steps to fix this error code. Step 1. Install the update from Microsoft Update Catalog. First of all, open Settings. Click on Start. Click on Settings. Click on Windows Update. Find the name of update which is failing. You will find the name of the update here. If you can't find here, go to Update History. Here the error code and the update name will be found. The update name starts with KB. Open a browser and type Microsoft Update Catalog. Press Enter. Click on this link, Microsoft Update Catalog. Type the name you have found on Settings and click on Search. Suppose it is KB5051987 or any other. Type or copy paste the name here and click on Search. You will get the relevant results. Check the update which is suitable for your computer. The update files will be for x64, ARM64 and server version. Check your system type. Click on Start. Click on Settings. Select System. Scroll down and go to About. This is system type, 64-bit operating system, x64 based processor. This file is for my computer. Check yours and click on Download. Click on the download link. Both the download links one by one. If here is only one download link, click on that. Once downloaded, click on the File Explorer icon from the taskbar. Select Downloads. Right-click on the update file and select Open. Follow the on-screen instructions to install this update. Then install this update in the same way. If only one update is downloaded, install that. In case the error still persists, modify services. Click on Search. Type Services. Click on Services. Look for Windows Update in the list. This one. Right click on this service. Select Properties. The startup type should be automatic. If it is not automatic on your computer, click on this drop down and select Automatic. The services status should be running. If service status is stopped, click on Start. Click on Apply. Click on OK. Then right click on the Windows Update service. Select Restart. Then look for Background Intelligent Transfer service. This one. Right click on this service. Select Properties. Change the startup type to automatic. And click on Start if it is highlighted. Click on Apply. Click on OK. Right click on Background Intelligent Transfer service. Select Restart. In the same way, look for cryptographic services. This one. Right click on this service. Select Properties. Make sure that a startup type is automatic. If it is not automatic, change it to automatic. And click on Start if it is highlighted. Click on Apply. Then click on OK. Right click on Cryptographic Services and select Restart. Close the services. Now go to Windows Update Settings. Click on the Windows icon. From the taskbar, select Settings. Click on Windows Update and click on Check for Updates. If the error is not solved, reset Windows Update components. Click on Search, type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt, select Run as Administrator. Click on Yes if user account control appear. These commands will reset Windows Update components. The commands are given in the description. Copy the first line of command, paste into the command prompt and hit enter. Copy the second line, paste into the command prompt and hit enter. In the same manner, run all these commands, close all the running tasks and restart your computer. After restarting, check for updates and try to install it. Here click on Check for Updates. Run System Files Checker and DISM tools. If the issue is still occurring, then again launch command prompt as administrator. Click on Search, type CMD. Click on Run as administrator and click on Yes. To repair system files, run System Files Checker command. Copy this command, paste into the command prompt and hit enter. Once 100% completed, copy the DISM commands. These three commands will repair the Windows image file. Copy the first line, paste into the command prompt, hit enter. Then copy the second line, paste into the command prompt, hit enter. Copy the last line, paste into the command prompt, hit enter. Finally, close the command prompt, close other files and applications and restart your computer. After restarting, check for updates again. Open a browser, type Windows 11 download, press enter, click on download Windows 11 link located on the top. Go to this section and click on this drop down. Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO for x64 devices. Click on the Download Now button. Now you have to select the correct product language. Click on Start, Settings. Go to Time and Language. And here click on Language and Region. English United States is the Windows display language. Close Settings. Click on the Choose One drop down. and select English United States. Click on Confirm. Now click on the 64-bit download button. This will download the ISO file to perform in-place upgrade. Let the download complete. Close the browser. Go to the Downloads folder where the ISO file is downloaded and right-click on the ISO file. Select Mount. Select Open. Right-click on setup.exe. Select Open. Click on Yes. Click on Next on the Windows 11 setup window. This will check for updates. The latest update which is causing the problem will be installed through this. On the next window, click on Accept. Click on Install to finish the process. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.